Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Children, today in EVS class, we are going to learn a new topic that is about a plant and its parts. So hope you all have seen plants, right? Around your house, near the school. In the school also we have huge garden, right? There also we have different types of plants, and when you will go to your native, there also I think you have seen plants and trees. As I told you in previous class, like plants are living things. Living things means they need food, water, air, right? Like how we all need food, water, air to survive ourselves, to grow. Similarly, plants also need sunlight, water and air for their growth. So, children, plants are very important for all of us. Not only for all of us, for the entire world, plants and trees plays very important role. You know, the air which we are taking now, this is called oxygen, and because of plants we are getting that oxygen. So plants gives us fruits, vegetables, there are some medicinal plants also. With the help of those plants we will get medicines, children, and with the help of wood we will prepare so many wood items like sofas, furnitures. So plants are useful for all of us. They are very important for our entire ecosystem. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the different parts of the plants. Like human being, we have different parts, right? Like eyes, ears, nose, hands, fingers. Similarly, plant also have its parts, different parts. So before I will explain you the concept, I would like to show you a real plant. Can you see this? Yes. See, this is a plant. Can you see this part, children? Anyone knows what are these? Yes, you all are right. These are roots. So these are roots. Roots plays very important role, children. Root, it will be under the ground. You know, plant is divided into two parts. One is root system and another is shoot system. Root system will be below to the ground. We can't see that, children. And shoot system will be above to the ground, which we can see. So these are roots. And you know, roots help plant. These are roots. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Soil means mud. From the soil it will absorb water and it will transfer to the entire plant. Now can you see this? This part, this is called stem. Very good, correct. This is called stem. And you know, children, stem gives support to the entire plant. It gives support to the entire plant. Then after that, these are branches and this is leaf. Yes, if one, then we will say leaf. If more than one are there, then we called it as leaves. Okay, so these are leaves. And you know, children, leaves are green in color. Why? Once you will go to higher classes, you will learn, because leaves contain chlorophyll, and with the help of these leaves, plant prepare its food. With the help of sunlight, water and air, plant prepare food. Where? Leaves will prepare food, children. Like how mama will prepare food for all of us, na? Similarly for plant, leaves will prepare food for the entire plant. And what is this? Yes, it's a flower. So all plants will be having flower, children. So this is a flower. And there will be different types of flowers with different colors, beautiful flower. After flower, we will get fruits. Okay. So I have one more plant here. See? Here. This one is root and this is stem. See? the leaves, and there are different types of leaves you will be observing, children. Whenever you are going out, just observe carefully. You will be having small leaves, big leaves, even flowers also. See, they are different. This flower is yellow in color, right? And now this is purple in color. So there will be a different colors, different types of flowers, different types of leaves with different sizes. Now let's learn the different parts of the plant here with the help of this picture. So observe this picture carefully, children. See, this is mud, means soil, and can you see this picture? This is called root. This is called root. And what is the spelling of root, children? R-O-O-T. Root. This is called root. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil, from the mud, and it will supply to the entire plant. Okay. Now, and this part is called root system, which will be below to the ground. Below to the ground will be having root system, and above to the ground, see, this is mud, and above to the, we can see only this part of the plant, right? So this above part is called shoot system. And what is this, children? This is stem. Yes. And what is the spelling of stem? S-T-E-M. Stem. And you know, children, stem gives support to the entire plant. Like how our body, our backbone, it gives us support for us. Similarly, stem gives support to the entire plant. What is this, children? Yes, this is leaf. If one is there, then we will call leaf. If more than one, then we will call it as leaves. Okay, so leaf. This is leaf, and leaf prepare food for the plant with the help of sunlight, water, and air. With the help of these three ingredients, leaf will prepare food for the entire plant. And now, what is this? See, this is flower. And what is the spelling of flower, children? F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. So what is this? Flower. And flower is a reproductive part of the plant. Once you will go to higher classes, now you will learn what you call by reproductive part and all. Because with the help of this flower only, we will get fruits. If flowers are not there, then fruit, it will not convert into fruit. So flower, afterwards it will convert into fruit. And this is fruit. And what is the spelling of fruit, children? F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Okay. So this is fruit, and which we will eat, right? Children, you all have seen the plant, but anyone knows from where this plant will come? Yes, correct. Plant will grow with the help of seeds. So now let's read a story of a plant which is there in your textbook also. See, all of you open your textbook and open this page number 7979. Learn the story, okay, behind the seed. So what they are saying, see, first I was planted as a seed under the ground. So first what will happen? The seed, we will plant the seed under the ground. Then a small stem called a sprout came out of me. So after that what will happen, children? After few days, when you will water that seed daily, after 2 or 3 days, small stem, it will call sprout, it will come out of that seed. Then a few days later, many leaves came out. They look green and fresh. So after few days, what will happen? After 5 to 6 days, after that, a few leaves will come out from that seed. Oh, great. Now I have lovely bright flowers. So what plant is saying? Now the plant has lovely bright flowers. Oh, they smell so sweet. Wow, now I am a tall, big tree. So what plant? See, from small seed, it had converted into a plant. Then after that, to a big tree. So tree is growing. Already I told you in living organism, when we have learned about living things and non-living things, trees will grow, and that is a characteristic of living things. So plants are living things, right? See, wow, now I am a tall big tree. I bear my own fruits and I am so strong. So he is having the plants. At the end of the day, what they will give us? They will give us fruits, vegetables, flowers. So there, so let's learn about different types of plants which we have around us. Like we have banana tree, beans plant, ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is a vegetable. Beans is also a vegetable. And what about banana, children? It is a fruit. Yes. And this is brinjal plant. Brinjal is a vegetable. Wheat. This is wheat plant. Corn. This is paddy. And this one is chilies. This is ragi, children. It is very famous in Karnataka. This one is pumpkin plant. And this one is tomato plant. And there are so many other plants are there around us, children. Now let's play one puzzle game, children. Observe carefully. By seeing these puzzle cards, we can make out, yes, it is something about different parts of plants. Because see, here we can see flower, here leaves are here, and here roots are here. So now let's solve the puzzle and help this panda. Okay, so first we will take root. We will take root, picture of root, and root we will stick it here because root will come down, right? And one more root, can you see? Yes, here it is. So we will take this root and we will stick it here. Now this is about root system. Now about the root, which part will come, children? Stem, right? So observe carefully and see where is stem. Yes, this here, see, S-T-E-M, stem. So now we will place this here. So this is stem. So we will place it here. Now I'll take this. Yes, this will come here. Yes, this will come here. Now we have two more puzzle cards. I'm taking this, and what is written on this, children? Leaf. And what is the spelling of leaf? L-E-A-F, leaf. Yes. This will come here. And we have last. Yes, see how beautiful painting went. So what is this? This is about parts of plant. Let's revise once again what are the different parts of plant, children. So first is root, and what is the spelling of root? R-O-O-T, root. Then this is leaf, and leaf L-E-A-F, leaf. And what is this? This part is called stem. Stem gives support to the entire plant, children. And what is the spelling of stem? S-T-E-M, stem. And what are these? These are flowers. And what is the spelling of flower? It's F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And what is this? This is fruit. And what is the spelling of fruit? F-R-U-I-T, fruit. So today we have learned about a plant and its parts and different types of plants also, children. So hope you all have understood the concept. All of you practice well at home. Take care of yourself. Bye.